Roostom Avesta Group and its salt marshes. And now we have come to tell you some information about Avesta Group. This is a company that approached this area with particular cruelty and eliminated all healthy competition. Avesta Group brings together good specialists working in all areas. It would be good if it was for the benefit of the nation and the state, but it is for the benefit of only one family. It is no secret that this company belongs to Rustam Emamali. As we have already said, the head of the company is a close person of Roostom Emmamali himself. His deputies are people with experience in economic, financial, political, and other priority areas. For example, as is known, the debt of the Tajik Electric Power Company has exceeded $1 billion. Anyone who is appointed to the management of Barkitojik will be forced by Hasani Orion Bank to take a loan from Orion Bank in the name of Barkitojik. This leader does not know what else to do. Previously, the total electricity losses were almost 40%. That is, out of 100 simony, 60 simony were lost in the state and 40 simony in transit. At the moment, after the Investo group of companies took control of this area and introduced electronic meters, the losses amount to 3%. This is surprisingly good. But it would be good if these percentages were used to pay off the debt of Barky Tajik and increase the salaries of workers in the industry. Now the company has captured the territories previously controlled by Hassan Orion Bank. And this does not please Hassan Orion Bank at all. For example, earlier the controllers collected money, stole part of it, and gave the rest to their leaders. Their leaders collected it and handed it over to Hassan Orion Bank. Thus, each month the budget received 40–50% fewer electricity bills. Now Avesta Group has automated everything. The money goes directly in electronic form,